Resting patiently on the slope of a ravine, a stone volume vertically connects the entrance and garage to the living spaces, which are nestled within this white, disruptive, abstract, and even challenging volume, seeking a visual balance between the natural and the artificial. In some Eastern cultures, it is believed that to intensely experience any phenomenon, one must unite two opposites. Shi House can be seen as an exercise in the meeting of two opposites: the Baroque mountain, teeming with vegetation, and the two Platonic volumes. The house, designed by H.W. Studio, closes itself off from the neighbors with a blind wall. It opens to the front and to one side, where a golf course and a natural reserve are located, horizontally framed with something as simple as a floor and a roof extending along the living room, dining room, and kitchen. In this part of the house, the architecture serves as a frame that emphasizes the beauty of the ravine. To achieve this, the concept of Engawa was used, an indoor-outdoor space surrounding the entire glass surface, aiming to diffuse light and promote a smooth transition between the mountain and the house. The central division between the social and private areas of the house is clearly defined by a long axis that culminates at the golf course. This axis, or corridor, presents an anomaly, a single slightly curved wall designed to soften the journey and also serve as a tribute to the three women who make up the family. The bedrooms and private areas are secluded, with no windows facing the exterior. The necessary illumination is provided through a long internal courtyard, an intimate gathering point for the family, connecting to the outside only through the sky. The house's entrance is below ground level, with a long outdoor staircase leading to the front door. From there, another staircase leads to the main floor, with an enclosed ancillary space and a small bathroom located on the basement level.